They always say it takes a village to raise a child. Well, it takes a village to create a book. Hey, I'm Michael DeLon, founder of Paperback Expert, and I just want to share with you a little bit about the team that we've assembled at Paperback Expert to help you create your book without writing a word, and then use your book to gain more clients. Because as a business owner, that really is the purpose behind you creating your book. Yes, it's going to separate you in the mind of your audience from everybody else because you are an Amazon best-selling author of this book, right? But in order to get your book created, it's a lot more than just putting words on page, right? So many people think that you can just use ChatGPT or whatever it is to get your words out on a page and publish it. And if you do that, unfortunately, your book looks like a self-published book and it diminishes your credibility. That's why we've worked for years to build our team of experts at Paperback Expert. So we've got a team of about 25 people, and that's everywhere from me to my son Caleb, who's my chief operating officer, to Judy, who's our managing editor. Judy oversees about 11 professional writers who work with us to serve you, to extract the genius that's in your head and get your words onto paper. And then they do the hard work of crafting and massaging your words into your book. And then once all of your words are created and you've read them and you like them, then we have to go to the next stage, which is our editing, where that fifth grade English teacher stuff, right? Making sure all the grammar is right. That's what our editors do, and they're magnificent at it. I'm so thankful to God for making people like that, because I don't have that skill set. And then once your book is completely edited line by line, then it goes into our formatting design department. And our designers create the exterior of your book, the cover design, right? Everybody says, well, don't judge a book by its cover. Well, unfortunately, we do. And when you're a paperback expert, you're going to pass the test with flying colors, because our covers are stunning and they reach the heart of your audience and they capture their attention. And then our interior designer takes the design elements from your exterior and weaves them through your book so that when your prospect reads your book, it looks like a professionally published book, because it is. And then we obviously have our publishing team that takes your files and makes your book available on Amazon and Kindle and in paperback. And we can do hardcover, we can do audiobooks, we can do podcasting your book. You name it, we can help you do it, because we've built a professional team of experts who are here to serve you. Because you're an expert, you're just fighting the battle because there are so many other competitors vying for the attention of your prospect. How are you going to reach them? How are you going to separate yourself? How are you going to cut through the clutter? Well, you do it by becoming an Amazon best-selling author of your own book. And we've made the process so simple. Our team is here to serve you, to help you create your book without writing a word. Get your book done in 24 hours of your time, and then we will teach you our systems, our strategies of how to use your book to gain more clients. And your book is an asset in your business. It will be for many, many years. I wrote my book and published it back in 2013. I'm still using it today to gain clients, get referrals, and grow our revenue. And you'll be able to do exactly the same thing. So if you're looking and thinking about creating a book, then may I say, reach out to me, send me a direct message, schedule a call with me, go to our website, learn more about us and our team and how we can help you get your book created in the least amount of time with the least amount of effort on your part. You show up and communicate because you're a communicator, and then we'll talk to you about our 2-year money-back guarantee and our marketing systems that integrate with all that you're doing to help you gain clients, get referrals, build a center of influence network so that your business continues to grow year after year after year, because people are seeing you as the expert you really are. So that's just a snapshot of our team of about 25 people right now who are standing at the ready to serve you, to help you create your book without writing a word, so you can use your book to gain more clients. Take care. Have a great day. I look forward to talking with you soon. God bless.